If your HP laptop has gotten slow, cluttered, or just isn't running like it used to, resetting it back to factory settings can make it feel brand new again. And the best part? The whole process is surprisingly easy. So let me walk you through it step by step. First, open your Start menu and search for Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look to the left-hand side and click System. Now scroll down until you find the recovery and select it. Right next to Reset this PC, you'll see a button that says Reset PC. Go ahead and click it. At this point, you'll get two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Here's the quick difference. Keep My Files will keep your photos, documents, and personal data, but will still remove all apps and reset all settings. Remove Everything wipes the entire laptop clean, perfect if you're selling it or starting completely fresh. Choose whichever option fits your situation. If you're keeping the device, most people prefer Keep My Files. Next, Windows will ask how you want to reinstall the operating system. You'll see Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Local reinstall is usually faster and doesn't require extra internet usage, so select that. You'll also notice a Change Settings button. This gives you additional reset options, but if you're not sure, the default choices work perfectly fine. Click Next, and Windows will show you a summary. Your settings will revert to default, your apps will be removed, and Windows will be reinstalled. You can even view the full list of apps that will be removed before continuing. Once everything looks good, click Reset and let your laptop do the rest. The process may take a little time, but when it's done, your HP laptop will feel fresh and clean, just like the day you bought it. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.